Huawei Mate 20, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, find and select the settings. Here we need to choose the system, select language and input, and select here language from the top of the screen. So right now I'm using the English from United Kingdom, but if you would like to change the language, let's choose add language. Here you should find the full list of available languages that you can use. In my case, let me choose Spanish, so the Espanol. Let's choose the region, so it could be España in my case. Now let's place the Espanol into the first position. And as you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select Ajustes, then scroll down, choose here Sistema, select here Idioma in Traducción de Texto, tap Idioma and place English into the first position. Alright, as you can see, right now your device is using the English version. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.